Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the paint text effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure your background is black. Grab the paint bucket tool, grab the color black, and click on your background. Next, select the text tool and type out the text that you want to create the effect on. Using the move tool, center your text on the center of the screen. The next thing you want to do is add a starry sky as your background. Select your background layer and insert your picture. Let's size it down a bit. Then turn opacity down to around 20%. The next thing you want to do is place a colorful image above your text. Make sure it covers your whole text, and then when you're ready, right click the layer and press create clippy mask. Now right click the brush tool and select mixer brush. Go to the settings, select the setting icon and press legacy brushes. And here you have a lot of legacy brush presets. I'm going to select the chalk 60 pixels in the default brushes. Make sure this is turned off and everything here is set to 100%. Make sure sample all layers is turned off. When you're ready, you can start mixing in the colors. Make sure to follow a brush movement across your letters. When you're done with your mixing brush, make a new group, put it in between our texture and the text, and place our text layer into the group. Again, on our texture, create a clippy mask. In our group, create a new layer. Go to the brush, and here type drip. And here you have a drippy water brush. Put the hardness to 100 and the size to something smaller. And now, just draw on the layer so it looks like your text is dripping. As you can see, it doesn't look perfect, so I'm going to grab the eraser tool and just erase the parts that I don't need. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.